In question 26, we're being asked to evaluate functions at the value of x equals 5 for the composition of functions q and r. So we have r of q and q of r. These are two different compositions. So first of all, taking a look at this, q of r, well, that is going to be the same as the function q, x squared plus 7. Actually, let me do something else. That is going to be the same as this notation, which is notation that I tend to prefer. So I'm going to do that for q of r, and I am going to do this for r of q. Okay, for me this makes more sense because what you're doing is you're saying we have the function q evaluated at square root of x plus 4. Okay, that was r of x. And down here we'd have r of x squared plus 7 evaluated at 5. Okay, so what does it mean to have q of the square root of x plus 4? Well, the q function, q of x, equaled x squared plus 7. Okay, where when we're evaluating a number, we just put that number in. Here, we are not evaluating a number, we're evaluating a variable expression, square root of x plus 4. So we say the square root of x plus 4 is what's being squared plus 7. Therefore, we get x plus 4 plus 7. Or x plus 11. We wanted to know this when x was 5, so our final solution for that one would be 16. Q of r evaluated at 5 was equal to 16. Okay, now let's try r of q evaluated at 5. So the r function is that square root of x plus 4. That's when we have r of x. So if we have r of x squared plus 7, then we are going to have the square root of x squared plus 7 plus 4. Or the square root of x squared plus 11. Okay, this evaluated at 5. So r of q of 5 would have been 5 squared here plus 11. Or otherwise simplified, the square root of 36. So one of your solutions was 16, where the other solution was plus or minus 6. Okay, so the main idea on those composition of functions is just a brief review here before we finish up this example. When we're doing a composition of functions, whichever one is listed as the second one is the input to the first one. In order to write that out, you write out the equation for q, but you replace the x, you replace your variable, your input, with the entire equation for r. And that would be the same as q of r.